Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. It's just a one-step process and the problem will be solved. You need to just go to search bar and type here control panel. From the search results, click here to open it. Once we're here, if you selected view by as category and if you are on your system it's showing this type of window, then we need to change it. Just go to view by and select large icons and you will get multiple options here. So we need to click on sound. Now we need to close the background window. We just need this one. So select speakers, open properties. Once we're here, we need to just go to enhancements tab in the speakers properties. So if you want to enable the loudness equalization, we need to check this option, then click on apply and then OK. And if you wanted to disable it, again right click on it and open its properties, go to enhancements tab and check this option. So this will disable it, then click on apply and then OK. So this is the process to enable and disable the loudness equalization. Hope you got this, and yeah, you can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.